Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon burger, shake, and fries. So to start off with this, let's begin with the burger. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve in a smiley face shape like this. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. Then it's going to come down just like that and connect. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out on each side. And then I'm going to just kind of curve it down here. And then I want to do the same thing on this side, just for the cheese. Then starting here, I'm going to draw kind of like a little bit of a wavy, kind of bumpy line that's just going to kind of curve around and then come back up to here. Then right here, I'm just going to make another kind of really wavy line for the lettuce. Then right here, I'm just going to make two lines that go down. And then I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve to connect them. Then on top of here, I'm just going to add some little oval or circle shapes all over for little sesame seeds on the bun. So I'm going to put some all around there. Now, let's draw the fries. So I'm going to put the fries over here behind the burger. So I'm just going to start right here and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go across like this. Then I'm going to go up a little bit at an angle. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then over towards the burger. And then a line that's going to go down and then in like this. Now, I want to put the fries in here. So to draw the fries, I'm just going to draw a bunch of different size rectangles. So you're going to draw a rectangle, and then what you want to do is you want to draw a line that goes down at an angle, and then straight back down like this. So I'm going to fill up the front of my little fry container with all of these different shaped rectangle french fries. So I'm just going to put a bunch in the front here like this. And then you also want to put some over here as well. And just kind of have them all over. Now, once you have some in the front, then you're going to want to have to start putting some in the back and in between all these to fill it up. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to make another little rectangle shape. And I did it on top of these two. Then I just draw down at an angle and then straight down. Now I want to put one here, so I'm going to draw a little line that goes over and down. And then I'm just going to draw that little angle shape to there to make it look like there are fries behind it. Then I'm just going to add a few more in here, just to kind of fill up my whole little fry container. And I'm going to put one more kind of tall one over here, just to kind of finish it off. Then I'm just going to add for some detail a little or two little diagonal lines that just go straight across. Now, over here we want to draw the shake. Now, to do this, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up like this in like a smiley face shape. Then I'm going to draw two lines that go up, and then a line that's just going to curve across here. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down to the burger, and then over here I'm going to make one that goes down to right about there. And then I'm just going to kind of curve it right up towards the burger. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve in. And then another one, I'm going to leave a little bit of space right there. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. And then same thing over here. Connect it with a little curve. And then I'm going to draw a diagonal line here. And a diagonal line here. And then I'm just going to add a little oval shape right there. Then right around the bottom of the straw, I'm just going to add a little curved line, or a little oval. And then I'm just going to add some little curved lines that go all the way down the straw shape right here. And then I'm going to add in 2 more little diagonal lines that just go right across there for some more detail. Then right here at the bottom, I'm just going to add kind of like a little wavy line like this, just to make it look like there's some ketchup. And there you go. There is your drawing of a burger, fries, and a shake. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.